Today, we're taking a closer look at the Happybuy 10.8 feet adjustable indoor grow light mover track rail kit. This is an innovative solution designed to enhance your hydroponic gardening by ensuring uniform light distribution for your plants. The kit includes a 10.8-foot track rail made of durable aluminum alloy, which is both lightweight and strong. This allows for easy installation and operation. The rail features a motor with a speed of 10 revolutions per minute and comes with a time delay adjustment that ranges from 2 to 120 seconds. This flexibility is excellent for customizing how the light moves across your grow area, optimizing light exposure for your plants. The track is extendable with the included metal tablets, allowing you to adjust the length to suit your specific setup needs. One of the standout features of this grow light mover is the on-off button on the motor. This design allows you to stop the light mover at any position without having to unplug it, making it incredibly convenient. It supports various light fixtures and can handle different weights, making it versatile for different growing conditions. Whether you're a seasoned hydroponic gardener or just starting out, the Happybuy 10.8 feet grow light mover track rail kit offers a reliable and adjustable solution to ensure your plants receive even and effective lighting. It's a practical addition to any indoor garden setup, providing both durability and ease of use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.